grab it. The rope that we get on the jetty.
Oh.
Is it over that side?
At yonder upriver. Or Murray River, I guess, but yeah.
You gotta fight.
Is it good?
Get away from it.
Black swan.
Look, we're going to go like that, yeah? Then, that on the bottom, that locks it off.
Oh, see that, Cos?
Ah.
Snag. We're both snagged.
Oh, this wakeboarding boat.
Oh, line snapped.
Oh no.
Now I have to tie my leader all again.
Eddie,
Race is on.
bait.
Little brim. Oh, that's some good colours. Oh, is it? No, I don't even think that's a brim. It's like a
Tell us what it is
perchy thing.
in the
I don't know what
comments
that is.
below.
Yeah, bring it in.
Get wrist can get a hold up with it. Maybe that's what that guy was talking about, what he was catching. Not bad. I don't know what it is, but throw it back.
Hey.
I haven't got... Not bad feed. Alright, belly action. Oh, bro, is this thing alright? Just like go in the water, bro. Oh, there we go, he's gone. Alright, well that's it. A blowy. Race is on.
That's it, good race.
Yeah, reel it.
Pull it up, mate, come on.
It's a big sand whiting. Oh, Jesus. Sand whiting. Not bad. By Reese again. Reese is the only one
That's
that's
a
got a
good
fish.
one, mate.
Alright, release. Send him back. Not bad. Oh, he's... Wait, no, he'll swim. He'll swim. Well, he should.
I think we should have moved his gills.
I can hook him again. Right. My line's over there.
Is that mine?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on.
That's the same one.
Are you recording?
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah.
You're on, are you recording?
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm not. Oh, yeah. Wait.
Are you recording?
I can't tell. It's not fighting.
You're on. Chance, you're on.
Oh, yeah, I am.
Are you recording?
I can't. Yes, I am.
Tilt it up more.
He's just letting him do his thing.
I think I'm on. Yeah, I am.
What do you mean you think you're...
Having for dinner, mate. If you kept yours, and then
I don't eat fish.
Not bad, Sam Whiting. Gonna keep this fella for bait. No size on these fellas, but we'll measure it. It's like, Jesus Christ. It is about 30. 30.
beauty.
Not bad. Right, I think.
Oh,
Dad's on.
oh.
Big?
Record is, right?
Oh.
Nah, it's off. Oh,
Nah, it'd still be
it's
on.
off.
Oh, it's off. What is it?
Skull drag.
Well,
Yeah.
are you just gonna leave it in there? Are you
Hey, look, room again.
No, it's a. Oh. Oh, it's a butterfish. Surprised they're in here. Oh no, it's a. No, it's a. That's not a butterfish. That's a. What's it called? That fish there is a trumpeter. I only realized when I got back home, but I realized that was a trumpeter. So yeah. On as well. Just as I'm putting bait on.
Probably the same
Really?
species.
Yeah, I think it is. Oh no, it looks like a brim. It's a brim. Oh no. Wait, yeah. I can't tell. Yeah, brim.
Brim boy.
Jeez, that's small, but
First brim of the trip.
hold
There
it.
you go.
Not bad, Brim. Chuck him back.
Pull it in there.
Don't skull drag it. Race is on. Well, what is it? Brim? It's a brim. Only small. Oh, is it? Is it Taiwan? Ah, brim. Tiny brim. Nothing. Hold him up. Yeah, not bad. Throw him back. Yeah, but he's gone. Dad's got a flounder. And alright, guys. Just counted about 6 total species we've caught today. So, and if you're wondering, we're using squid in a river, but it's the only bait we had. So, yeah, that's why we're using squid. I forgot to record an outro, but yeah. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.